In this vlog, we are going to feature Crispy King franchise business package ideas. Started in the 2001, the company also had its humble beginnings as a bakery business in Cebu City, which later catered the hearts of Ormocanons. Since then, with Daika Bake Shop as a principal business of the company, it has continued to venture into grilled chicken business of Estong Manok and Liempo, the fast food chicken business of Crispy King. The company's first Crispy King store opened in Lopez Haina Street, Ormoc City, with just 20 square meters. They aim to provide and deliver the best quality crispy fried chicken to the masses at a very affordable price with the comforts of dining in. Furthermore, the company sees opportunity with business growth and aims to create more job opportunities and build better lives and goodwill to the community. This, along with dynamism of its leadership and team, they continue to innovate their marketing plan. Their journey in 2019 has reached 50 stores and continue to exponentially grow, and currently they have over 300 operating stores nationwide. Crispy King bestseller products: crispy fried chicken, ngohyong, bola-bola, siomai, and lumpiang Shanghai. Business package requirements: a prospective Crispy King partner must submit the following requirements. Number 1. Viable site with a minimum floor area of 40 square meters and 3.5 to 4 meters front opening. Number 2. Fill in the letter of intent, applicant profile sheet, market study, and 2 valid IDs through their website. Propose the area of location and then click submit. Wait for their team to call you for verification. Application procedure. Step 1. Fill out the application and requirements through their website, including the letter of intent, application form, market study, and 2 valid IDs. Step 2. Initial interview through Google Meets or Zoom. Step 3. Site inspection and approval, which will take 2 to 3 weeks. Step 4. Grand meeting. This is the awarding of the site. Step 5. Signing of the business partner agreement, settlement of the investment fee, and schedule of orientation. Step 6. Preparation to opening. And lastly, Step 7. Grand opening. The Crispy King store. The total investment cost is worth 500,000 pesos. Take note, no franchise fee. For the business package inclusion: construction or renovation, complete set of equipment and utensils, marketing collaterals, build-up signages, site ocular and approval, initial stocks, security bond, and facilitating fee. For the business package exclusions: training allowances, permits, additional stocks for opening, soft drinks for opening promo, and employee uniforms. For the return of investment (ROI), the return of investment may vary depending on monthly sales and expenses. The chosen location serves a vital role in prolonging and shortening the average return on the initial investment. The average to reach the ROI is from 6 to 12 months. For the frequently asked questions. Question number 1. What happens after submitting the application requirements? Answer: each Crispy King partner applicant will go through a screening process that includes background checking, market verification, and study of the site. Question number 2. What is the facilitating fee for? Answer: lifetime support from the company is offered and it includes reporting and troubleshooting. Upon opening of the store, the company will deploy one fryman and one cashier to assist and support you for 5 days. Question number 3. Who will provide the employee of the Krispy Kreme site? Answer: the business partner will recruit and hire his or her own store staff. Question number 4. How many employees does a store usually need? Answer: the store is highly recommended to have 4 to 6 employees, which includes one reliever. Question number 5. What are the training provided by the company? Answer: their training includes the following: cashier's report, proper frying procedure, inventory system, orientation of staff, and customer service. Question number 6. When to conduct food inventory? Answer: they highly encourage their partners to perform monthly product inventory. Krispy Kreme will provide the entire necessary food inventory, including its packaging. For the contact details, you may contact Krispy Kreme by ERTCDE Holdings Incorporated with main office address of Cogon, Combado, Ormoc City, Leyte 6541. You may also contact their marketing and business partner office address is at Anubing Street, Ormoc City, Leyte 6541. You may call their mobile number 0975-814-7492 and 0970-695-3403. You may also call their landline at 053-552-1687. You can send them an email at krispykingph@gmail.com. You may also visit their website at www.krispykinginc.com. What are you waiting for? Start your business with a franchise of Krispy Kreme Fried Chicken today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please continue to support our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.